to show my exhaust leak that I'm having. You can see it's just pouring out of the side of the car. That's about where the muffler is. And then there's the tailpipe. So exhaust is coming out of the tailpipe, and exhaust is also coming out